Good day everyone. In this video, I'll teach you how to enlarge your figure on the page. So we'll start off by using lines to create the pose of the decorative action figure. Once you're happy with the pose, draw a shape around the stick figure. So let's say, for example, if I would like the width of the hand to be as such, so from the stick figure itself, I'll draw that consistent line all through. So same thing with the top as well, ensuring that the line is consistent thickness at the top as well as the bottom of the hand. Ensure that all limbs of the figure touch the edges of the paper. Now with the body, you might want to make this a little wider, just so that this allows for details to be crafted within at a later stage. So maintaining that same thickness along the right side of the stick figure and the left side of the stick figure. Once you're done, going on to the other hand, as we craft that same width from the stick figure's pose. Same thing with the legs, ensuring that it has the same width from the stick figure as with the arms. Once again, ensuring that the edges of the shape touch the edges of the paper. Once you're happy with the enlarged figure on the page, we'll begin to erase our stick figure. With the shape of our decorative action figure now in place, we'll begin to draw lines around to mark out the thickness of the marker work that goes along the outlines of the figure. So by drawing another line over here, this means that within this space, I will be shading it with my marker in the next stage. Ensure that the line thickness is consistent all throughout the figure. In the next step, we'll use a permanent marker to color in the outlines over here. Firstly, trace the outer line to ensure a smooth You can rotate the page to get into a comfortable position as you trace out the outer lines of the outline. Once you've done with the outer edge, trace the inner edge. Once you're done with tracing both the outer and the inner lines, you can begin to fill in the thickened outline. As you fill in, do it with light strokes. Do not press too hard on the tip, as this would create a splotched effect. Once you're done with thickening the outlines, for areas that appear to be a little uneven in comparison to the rest of the other outlines, carefully go along the edges and try to maintain consistency in the thickness of the outlines. Once you're done, remember to erase your pencil marks and you can begin working on your details within.